Okay, you must already put it on. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm glad for that. So you playing ball still?
Nah, just school, really.
Man, you was a brainiac anyway. So I ain't mad at you. You was the one all the time, huh? You was the one all the time reading the books. Which was good, which was great. Other boys need to be small like you, man, you know? Let's go. Bend it too much over right here. But you go deep on your squats. You got the best squats out of everybody. Ooh, Darren gonna love you. You gonna love him, boy. Look at deep squats in. You gonna love him. Show him again. Show him again. Show him again. Squat. Show him again. Open your feet out just a little bit more. Right there. Look how deep you go, man. You love him. Yeah, I think you gonna love him, boy.
So I don't want, hey, if nobody squat, why you saw that? Coach.
No one better squat. Hey, no one better need to learn from you.
They do that shit. Yeah, they do.
What was your max before? We doing this reality. What was
385.
385?
385, yeah.
A real squat, like kind of. You good. Let's go. When the last time you squat? You maxed. When the last time you maxed 385?
Like 2 weeks ago. Like 2 weeks ago. So we switch it up every week.
Go. Go. I know, man. I feel so sorry for him sometimes. I have to give him, you know, we gotta have some benefit of the doubt for him. Give him some benefit. Let's go. Careful. And put that fire. Get deep. Ooh, shit. Yeah, you the shit. You are the shit, bro. I ain't never seen nobody. I ain't never matched.